Hello friends, welcome back to a brand new video of 𝐲𝐴 photography, and I'm Adi. This video is an editing tutorial, and in this video we are going to edit this pic. So before discussing more about the pic, let's roll the intro, guys. Friends, this is the actual pic and we have to edit this pic into this, and we are using Lightroom to edit this pic. And if you are seeing my channel for the first time, subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you will be notified instantly whenever I upload my new video. And friends, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, follow me, guys. The link is in the description, and whenever you post a new post and tag me, guys, hashtag #Adi520. So that's all about this pic, and why I really wish to include the photography, like how I took this pic, but unfortunately I took this pic very early, so that's why I'm not able to give that clip. Rather than that, why I chose hibiscus, because in everybody's home hibiscus is there, right? And hibiscus is a common flower, that's why I chose hibiscus. So take many pictures of hibiscus and edit like a pro, guys. So let's move on to the edit. Now we have opened Lightroom here. If you haven't downloaded Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom yet, I'll give the link in the description and you can download it from there. So when we open it, the interface will be like this, and add your image. So now I have added my image here. So, and this is the whole size of our image, and at the right side there will be tools. So first what we need to do, crop the image, but now I'm not doing it because the image is already in perfect size for me. So let's go to the second step, light. So there will be a pic of sun, click it, and there will be exposure, contrast, highlight, shadow, whiteness and black. Let's adjust that. So I don't want to play on exposure because in my point of view it is perfect. Increase the contrast a bit, decrease the highlight like -86. Shadow also we have to put it on -100. Whiteness also -100. Black also not -100, like -38. So okay, now let's see the difference. See, we can see our picture is little more dark. Now we can go to the main thing, making background black. So below the light there will be a pic of temperature, thermometer. Just click it, it is temperature. On the top right there will be an option called mix. Click it, there will be several colors. So we have to analyze which is the color of the background. In this case green is the color, so select green and make the saturation -100. Now itself you can see like 80% of the color is black, I mean low saturated. So the next color we can see is yellow, so select yellow and make it also -100. And still we can see some orange color here and there, right? If you want you can make it black or keep it there, but I don't want to get people distracted because of that, and I made that also black. So now we can see the difference. This is the before, and now we have the pic like this. So let's go to the third option. So below that there will be a box shaped logo. Click that, and there will be texture, clarity, etc. etc. So first is texture, we have to just increase it so we'll get some depth on the picture. So next is clarity, a little bit we can increase it like 8 to 10, it depends on your picture. So the next one also we have to increase, so our picture will be more dark, I mean the background will be more dark. So vignette we have to for a bit reduce it, then there will be midpoint in reduce it, then there will be feather, increase it, and there will be roundness, increase it, and only that is all what we have to do with that. And if you want to make a flower little more brighter, again go to the temperature, go to mix, and see our flower color is red, so select red and increase the saturation. If you want you can even adjust the color, so increase the saturation. Yeah, it's perfect, right? So, and The last and final thing is make a little bit bluish. So for that, what we need to do is, from the top there is an option, fourth, it is called profile. Just select it, and there will be many presets, default presets will be there. From that, select artistic 4. I repeat, artistic 4. So it will be little bit bluish. So if you want, we can increase it or either decrease it. So I am increasing it to 141, like that. So that is all what I do with this picture. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. So, and that's all about editing. Yeah, how was the video, guys? If you like my editing, like the video, leave your opinion on the comment box and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So I'll be back with this kind of banger videos again. Until that, stay tuned. Bye bye.